Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a commercial immersion blenders. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For these hooks, they are about like 8 inches deep. And these handles, totally they are about like 11 inches long. And we can see the details on the units. They have a sticker side, they have a ETL sanitation stickers, and the units using the 110 powers. So from the manufacturer, they give you standard 110 plugs. And we also can see the front of the blend, they have 2 blades at the bottoms. And the sticker to show you the ETL sanitations and products information and the made in China and also the Cooler Depot brands. And also on the handlebars, we can see the power switch is at these positions. You can just push it and hold this one. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.